we are at 4K. Ilaban ang bandera ng Buena Vista. Thank you, thank you, ma'am. Kinaya. Sorry. Hi guys, so today we're here back again with another video, and today nasa Milo Marathon tayo ngayon guys. We are running 10K and she's running 5K. I'm gonna try to have a sub 1 10K for my PR. Ikaw, sub 40?
Maybe.
Wow! I will see you on the race. Pero every kilometer na lang kasi I'll try my best in this race. Kaya, see you on the start of the race. Let's go! Guys, it's 20 seconds na. Let's go! 10K!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Guys, I'll see you in 1K. Let's go! Guys, 1K warm up done. 2K tayo mag warm up. Then fast pace na rin tayo. After 2K, fast pace. Let's go. Guys, 2K, faster pacing. Tapos na yung warm up. Let's go. Guys, we are at 4K. I want to stop na pero keep going lang. I'll keep on fighting guys. Ilaban ang bandera ng Buena Vista. Let's go! Guys, uphill. Di ko kaya. Wala ako'y training sa uphills. I can see the turning point na I can't run sa uphill guys. Later, bawi tayo pababa. Guys, bawi sa downhill guys. Bawi sa downhill. Let's go! Bawi! Guys, 6K. 4 kilometers to go guys. Let's go. Guys, 7K. 42 minutes. 3 km to go. Saban, let's go. Guys, 2K na lang talaga. Malapit na lang. Kaya ko to. Ewan ko anong oras na. I need to finish this fast. Bye guys. See you at the finish line. Guys, sorry guys. Hindi ko kinaya yung 10K na sub 1. Hindi ko kinaya guys. Sorry. Dito na tayo sa finish line. Hindi ko na kaya guys. Fuck. 3 minutes. 3 minutes short guys. Nakakaya. 3 minutes. Sorry. Hindi ko kinaya guys. My own CR. Thank you. Thank you ma'am. Fuck. Hindi ko kinaya. Tawas nila. Finisher na yung 10K guys. Pero fuck. Hindi ko kinaya. Hindi ko kinaya guys. Sorry. 3 minutes short tayo guys. Ganito pala feeling sa running guys. Sakit. Sakit sa heart. Pero proud na ko. Happy ako kasi natapos ko. New PR. Pero yun nga eh. 3 minutes ang layo. Bawi tayo guys. Bawi tayo. Hindi ko kaya. Kaya guys. Kung anong gingo na ito na balagi na eh. Basta kanunay. Let's go. I'll see you next time guys. Bye.